Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today we are working with Dr. Seuss's One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish to practice nouns and verbs. Let's get started. Okay, so first things first, Dr. Seuss's book One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish has so many verbs and nouns. It's the perfect book to practice the understanding of nouns and verbs because of how they're used. So, looking here on pages 18 and 19, I wanted to focus on Mr. Gump and his wump. He has a 7-hump wump. We're going to practice finding the nouns and verbs on these two pages first. So, coming from page 19 says, "But we know a man called Mr. Gump. Mr. Gump has a 7-hump wump. So, if you like to go bump, bump, just jump on the hump of the wump of the gump." So I'm going to try to find 2 nouns on these pages and 2 verbs on these pages. So a noun is a person, place, or thing, and a verb is a word that shows action. So on page 19, I can say Mr. Gump. That's a noun referring to a person. And another noun would be man, a person. Now let's try to find verbs. We have jump, that's a verb. And we have the word know, that is a verb. Let's place them on our T chart. So here we are. We have our T chart that is going to represent our notation and organization of all the nouns and verbs we find in Dr. Seuss's One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish. Nouns are words that detail a person, place, or thing. Verbs are action words. Let's go over and write the nouns we found first. So right here, on page 19 of One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish, we found the nouns Mr. Gump and man. I'm going to place them on the noun side of this T chart. Mr. Gump, man. Now we're going to reference page 19 to find all the verbs or the words that show action and place it on the right side, the verb side of this T chart. We found the verb jump and we found the verb know. We're going to make sure we place them on the verb side. There's jump. And there's no. For even more fun, we could add our nouns and verbs into a color and catch coloring sheet. First, we list all the nouns inside the fish on the lines, and then we list all the verbs that we could see on the lines around the fish. Let's try. Gump as a noun, man as a noun, jump, no. Now let's make it even more fun with coloring. We're going to color in the fish, and we can color in the water of verbs that is surrounding the fish. Once all of the diagram is complete with nouns and verbs, it should be colored. Here's an example of what you could do or what colors you could make for the fish in the surrounding waterway. Now, if you would like this color diagram for nouns and verbs practice with your child, or your children, or your students, I have the link down below. I also have the example of a T chart. Thanks for watching. Come back and visit again. Bye-bye.